Mark Bellamy, a senior principal and project manager at Stantec, develops and leads teams who plan and design transportation, urban development, water and industrial projects across Western Canada. For more than 25 years, Mark has enjoyed giving back to his community through his contributions to organizations that reflect his commitment to the engineering profession, youth science outreach, and community service. Mark has played a leadership role in education, ultimately serving both students and the community. He volunteered for the Association of Professional Engineers and Geoscientists of Alberta's Engineer in the Classroom initiative to encourage children to consider science and technology as a career.
Son engagement l'a amené à créer et à diriger le Southern Alberta Technology Council, une association sans but lucratif axée sur la vulgarisation scientifique au niveau de l'enseignement primaire et secondaire.
Mark also contributes to science outreach at a provincial level as a board member with the Alberta Science Network and serves on the advisory board for the University of Lethbridge Engineering Transfer Program. One of Mark's major contributions to the community was his untiring efforts as co-chair and project manager in making the 2013 Canada-wide Science Fair in Lethbridge, Alberta a huge success and an example for future events. The Science Fair provided an opportunity for almost 4,000 students and community members to view the work of 480 of Canada's top high school scientists. Mr. Bellamy led the team that recruited and organized 675 volunteers and fundraised more than $300,000. The event brought an economic impact of about $2.1 million to Lethbridge.
Monsieur Bellamy a siégé au conseil de divers organismes communautaires, dont la Chambre de commerce de Lethbridge et le comité consultatif de l'aéroport du comté. Il est président du comité Heart of Our City de Lethbridge, un groupe au sein duquel il travaille depuis 7 ans.
Mark and his wife Beverly support many community organizations, including the Lethbridge Symphony Orchestra, the LSO Young Artists Competition, and Streets Alive, a homeless assistance organization. In recognition of his tireless dedication to his community, Engineers Canada is proud to present the 2015 Meritorious Service Award for Community Service to Mark Bellamy.